I'm very proud to be part of the CEI Capital Management team. We're very interested in how can you help maintain, sustain, and also diversify rural economies to create opportunities for individuals in those economies, as well as economic sustainability and environmental sustainability. Our primary tool that we use is our new markets tax credits.
I've been in banking, and I know that there are certain areas that banks lend in and certain areas that they don't. So it's that new markets tax credit part of the mission is strong. But even going back further, before there was a new markets tax credit, CEI was formed to help people. I think that it starts at the top with our founder, Ron Phillips.
CEI was founded in 1977. I'm actually the organizer of it, and our mission is to help create economically and environmentally healthy communities in which all people, especially those with low incomes, can reach their full potential. But along the way, we were trying to figure out how can we use the tax code to incent private capital into projects that we were trying to finance. It's one thing to have a direct gift from the government or an individual, a social investment and so forth. It's another thing to perhaps turn to the tax code and see whether we can generate a credit against which an institution would then be able to make an investment in projects that we're bringing forward. For the new markets tax credit, we needed to set up an actual specialized subsidiary that could handle this particular kind of transaction.
The way that the program is set up is we are really sort of facilitating the whole process. We're not investing our own money, but we're bringing investors into the projects. So our investors and lenders are hugely important, and they both work with the program because of the benefits that it ascribes to them and also because of the mission impacts that come out of these projects.
It's a little bit art and a little bit science. New markets can be very flexible, but there is no free lunch. It's a complicated program, and we generally advise our partners that if they have a simpler, cheaper way of financing, they should take it. Because at the end of the day, there is a lot of work goes into making a new markets deal happen in terms of coordinating people and complying with the regulation.
The credit, while it is complex, has the benefits that far outweigh any of the other credit programs that are in existence. It is extraordinarily flexible in that it can be both a debt or an equity investment in a low-income community. And so we have the ability to really make a significant difference and not be pigeonholed into any one specific area.
The most difficult aspect of our job is really vetting the large volume of transactions that we see and vetting those against CCML's triple bottom line underwriting criteria.
And our portfolio stretches from early childhood education through community facilities, research facilities that support large swathes of industry like the Gulf of Maine Research Institute, operating companies, all sorts of different manifestations of economic development.
Just projects that CEI Capital Management has done, we've helped create or preserve over 11,000 new jobs across the country in various different projects. Thousands of acres of woodlands we've helped preserve and have them managed in a sustainable fashion.
I feel that I'm making a difference indirectly through helping the project sponsors trying to set up a successful business in low-income communities and making sure that the private capital from the investors get access to the project that I source and underwrite.
We all carry, and I do carry, this strong commitment to the mission, and you do get to step back once in a while and think about what you've done.